Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I know I haven't been posting for such a long time, but here I am with some cute fashion accessories, shoes. So I want to show you guys what I recently purchased. So the first one is this Versace necklace bag. It's designed for your AirPods. So I put my AirPods inside. You can use it as a necklace, or you can remove this strap and make it like a separate small bag. Let's see the details. There are so many Versace iconic elements here, and I love the orange color. You can see the back is like this. Inside you can see the Versace logo. This one is more like $200. I think it's quite a lot for such a small bag, but it's Versace. I mean, what can you expect? So let's see the next one, the Bottega Veneta sunglasses. I bought this one like last year. I love the shape and the color. I mean, green color is so nice. You can see the texture is really nice. It's actually a bit heavy compared to other sunglasses I have, but I think it's okay because it's really fit for my face. If you have a big face, I don't recommend to get this one. And the next one is a pair of Givenchy shoes. You can see I got this pair of Givenchy sandals. I think it's from 2021 or 2022 collection. I bought this like 2 months ago, of course at a discount price, but I think this style still works really well in 2023. I mean, it's really comfortable. You see here is the leather, it's really comfortable, and the bottom is really thick, so it makes me look taller. You can see it's quite new. I haven't even worn them yet, so I think I'm going to wear this like really soon. You can check my Instagram for more like styling photos. There are so many Givenchy logos here. Let me know if you like this one. I mean, I got this one for $300 or something. And the last but not least is this Roberto Cavalli men's slippers, or you can call them sandals. You can see the design is really simple. You can wear this at home, or you can wear this when you go out for shopping. One thing I don't like about these shoes is that the bottoms are really hard. Listen when you walk on the street. So I think it might be like not too comfortable because I bought this one last year, but I haven't even worn them yet. I only tried at home, so you can see the bottom are quite new. I will wear this really soon. I will share more photos on my Instagram about this one. I forgot to show you guys the details. Are quite nice. You can see, and you can see the logo here. This one's cost me like $200. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope I'll see you guys really soon. And please also follow my Instagram. See you next time. Bye.